Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to restore home screen layout on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, suggest swipe up. Now here's a click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on account and backup. So click on accounts and backup. So click on restore data. So after click on restore data, you will see Samsung Galaxy is showing here. So click on Samsung Galaxy. Select apps from here. So after selecting, click on restore. So after click on restore, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can restore home screen layout on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.